Pant, gasp, beg. Please don't send me back. I can't go back. Okay. Alright, let's see. Okay, panicked. Make sure you're not lightheaded. Ready. No, please. You can't do this. You said you'd stay with me this time. I can't lose you again. Please don't send me back. Please. I can't go back. Don't send me back. Please. Yeah, well, you're not helping much either, kid. Now stop complaining and let me do my work. I can't work with all your yapping. Sweetie, I know I'm always hard on you, but I just want you to know I'm always here, okay? I love you too.